Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use iPhone eye tracking
on iOS 18. So let's begin.
So first of all, you're going to head to settings and then you need to go to accessibility. Scroll down in accessibility and then you need to head to eye tracking. So in eye tracking, you should turn on eye tracking and then you need to complete this setup. We have to look at the blue dot and now purple dot. So we have to look at those dots to follow along. Make sure to not look elsewhere while you are following the dots. Otherwise, the eye tracking will not be accurate. Alright, our setup is complete. Now I'm going to control my phone with my eye. Assistive touch menu customization, so I'm not going to select this. Let's cancel this option. So I did it completely with my eye without even touching my phone. As you can see, this eye tracking feature is a pretty helpful feature for those who want to use their phone without even touching them. So now my phone is on the desk and I'm not even touching my phone. I'm controlling my phone completely with my eyes. So let's go back from this option. As you can see, I'm easily able to control this eye tracking. And if you also want to use this eye tracking feature, then you can also use it in similar way. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.